Hello everyone, this is your Krishna from Women Today YouTube channel. So in this channel we have been interviewing many women entrepreneurs and working women across different cities in India. We are traveling to different cities and we are conducting offline interviews in their corresponding office locations, and we are also conducting online interviews across different cities in India and also across different countries in the world. So today right now we are in Ahmedabad in Gujarat, and right in front of us is Gunjan Ashok Ochwani ma'am. She is a professional Vastu consultant. So I welcome you Gunjan Ashok Ochwani ma'am to this Women Today YouTube channel. So please kindly introduce me about yourself, about the kind of work that you're doing to the audience who are watching this interview right now ma'am.
Hello everyone, this is Gunjan Ashok Ochwani and I'm a Vastu Shastra consultant. And basically I align spaces so that you can harmonize. Vastu Shastra is basically an ancient Indian science which aligns your environment. So people are confused many a times that what is Vastu and what is it all about. Otherwise people say that there's a saying like क्या है वास्तु क्यों है ऐसा इट्स अ मिथ इट्स ऑल मतलब इट्स वेरी बैड और ये वहम है अंधविश्वास है. तो लेट मी टेल यू कि वास्तु कोई अंधविश्वास नहीं, कोई वहम नहीं, कोई मतलब ऐसी आड़ी टेढ़ी चीज़ नहीं जो आपको एक मतलब बैड एनर्जी दे. इट बेसिकली इट्स एन अलाइनमेंट. ओके, देयर इज़ अ साइंस which on which the whole universe works, the whole magnetic field works, and Vastu is the science which aligns you with that magnetic field, that universe, and it literally harmonizes your space in such a way so you can live a very healthy, wealthy and successful life. And Vastu does the part that it removes all those things, all those hurdles from your life which take you to your bad, to your downfall. It removes all the hurdles and it gives you such an environment where everything is so peaceful that you can focus on what you're doing and you can keep doing your work without any hurdles or any disturbances.
That's a very wonderful introduction from you, ma'am. Of course, Vastu, mainly what we expect in Vastu is like to clear our hurdles. Yes, whenever we do something in our life, there will be a lot of obstacles, hurdles coming in between us and the work. But the thing is that people will always be confused that I'm just doing each and every work correctly, but why I'm not able to get the success? The thing is that, as you told, that the universe aligns your magnetic fields with the energy you work with, but you have to work with the correct Vastu settings. So that's it. Whenever you do this, you will be able to get the success. That's right, ma'am.
See, every zone in your house, like I work on 16 zones, every zone of your house is like, or your space, wherever you're working, your workspace, your house, your factories, everything has a zonal distribution. So north zone comes for water element, east comes for air element, southeast is for fire, southwest is for earth element, west is for space element. So this way, each and everything, when you align that way, when you put your placements in a way that this should be your meeting room, this should be your living room, this should be your kitchen, this should be your toilet. So it works. It harmonizes with your magnetic field and the magnetic field that earth carries. And everything falls into places, and things, the hurdles are less and everything falls into steps.
So once again, that's a very large and vast explanation about Vastu, ma'am. So tell us, ma'am, what is the most common and biggest misconception about Vastu, and how do you want to clarify it to the audience who are watching this interview right now, ma'am?
Generally, people use pyramids, crystals, and mirrors, all such things to clarify or demolishing activities. Vastu is not, to harm you or to scare you. Vastu is basically correcting your space. मतलब अगर वास्तु को तोड़ फोड़ से या ऐसी चीज़ों से ठीक किया जाए तो फिर वास्तु करने का कोई पॉइंट नहीं है. वास्तु को ठीक करने के लिए सिंपल रेमेडीज़ लाइक टेप्स या छोटे छोटे मेटल स्ट्रिप्स और as good as just balancing things or just shifting your bed can be good for you. We don't believe in demolishing things. Either a perfect vastu which is constructed from zero, or if it is there and it is existing, we just believe in problem solving, like small remedies like colorful tapes, strips, each and everything like that works. it's not that we'll go, okay, kitchen यहाँ नहीं है, इसे तोड़ डालो. नहीं. Obviously if your kitchen is in southeast and it has a black pot platform, we'll ask you to try and demolish it and reconstruct it. But if it is, you like, no, we don't want, we can use vinyl sheets instead. We have options where you can use your things without any demolishing, and very simple, very accurate remedies which work.
Yes, that's what people expect from Vastu consultant. Not to, they always worry about, okay, what if some person comes to us as a Vastu consultant and they always suggest like, okay, this should not be here, that should be there, and it should be demolished, completely kind of deconstructed. So that's a kind of thing which is like a nightmare to people. So they'll be thinking like, what will happen if they have to spend every savings just to demolish what I already created. So it's better to, as you said that, yeah, there's an example, by just shifting the direction of your bed, you can get some success in your life. So that's a great thing, ma'am.
Exactly. Like a few days back when I was in Delhi for this consultation, she told me that, ma'am, my interior designer is not ready to meet you. Reason being, interior designer told her that a few days back she met with a Vastu consultant, which disrupted all the work the other one had done and put everything. They had to work harder. So they were like, "Nay, if you want to go for Vastu, go for an interior designer who goes with Vastu." So this is not the way, and after meeting me, she was quite content, she was quite happy, कि okay, if this is the way Vastu is done, I had a literally different picture of Vastu. And she is my client now. The other one who was like against Vastu is again my client now. She is ready to take consultation from me.
It's very simple. That's because you make sure that you make the client coming to you understand the concept. So once they understand the concept, they'll be okay with it. Then everything will fall in place. That's a great thing, ma'am. So tell us, ma'am, if there will be one thing in every average Indian households that you would like to change, so what would be that, ma'am?
I would like to change the entrance of the house, because entrance is one thing which gives you abundance, which gives you it can take you down, it can take you up. There are 8 positive entries throughout the house, throughout the magnetic field. There are 2 in the east, 2 in the west, 2 in the north and 2 in the south. If we go, अगर हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देखें तो E3 E4 की एंट्री, W3 W4 की एंट्री, S3 S4 की एंट्री और N3 N4 की एंट्री बेस्ट होती है. और अगर मैं आपको कुछ देना चाहूँगी, अगर ऐसा कुछ जो आपको बेस्ट, मतलब विच कैन चेंज योर लाइफ अपार्ट फ्रॉम अदर थिंग्स इन द वास्तु, इज़ अ पॉजिटिव एंट्रेंस. ये जो पॉजिटिव एंट्रेंसेस मैंने आपको बताई, ये आपको ढेर सारा पैसा, ढेर सारी अबंडेंस देते हैं. और लाइफ में अगर पैसा और अबंडेंस भर भर के हो तो आई थिंक मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स का सॉल्यूशन निकल आता है. और आई थिंक लाइफ में अगर पैसा भर भर के हो, अबंडेंस भर भर के हो, तो मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स का सॉल्यूशन तो ऐसे ही हो जाता है. आई थिंक मनी कैन बाय ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट?
I understand, ma'am. So also tell us, ma'am, some people will be like, do not have your entrance on the southwest and do not have your kitchen and toilets on the northeast. So what is the Vastu thing behind it, ma'am?
Good, very good question. Thank you so much, Krishna Kumar. Yes, southwest entrance and northeast, they're the most sensitive zones of your magnetic field. See, only wealth is not, doesn't work. You need good health also to, use that wealth. The wealth which comes from a good Vastu home is necessary, that you use it. You can use it. If you're healthy, you're wealthy, then only I'm like, we're working nicely. So coming to southwest entrance, southwest is a zone which governs relationships and stability. So if we have an entrance there, the first thing which shatters is your relationships in your family, in your home, with your spouses. And there's a very big thing with southwest entrance. आपको बहुत सारा कर्जा देती है. It gives you a lot of debt. मेजरली नॉर्थ ईस्ट जो है, इट्स अ वेरी सेंसिटिव जोन. ये आपके माइंड की दिशा है, आपके माइंड को गवर्न करता है. तो अगर यहाँ कोई वास्तु दोष होता है तो इट इफेक्ट्स योर थिंकिंग, योर मोशन ऑफ योर थॉट्स, एंड लाइक इफ देर इज़ अ टॉयलेट इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट डेफिनेटली कैंसर हो सकता है, इट कैन लीड टू कैंसर। अगर आपकी कुंडली में महादशा या अंतदशा में गुरु आता है और आपके नॉर्थ ईस्ट में टॉयलेट है या किचन है, तो वो डेफिनेटली रादर रेड कलर भी है, तो it is so harmful that it leads to cancer. Northeast kitchen or toilet can be harmful with your health. It gives you a lot of health issues, and northeast is the zone of your mind. साउथ वेस्ट में अगर आपके एंट्रेंस है तो वो एक बहुत बड़ा वास्तु दोष क्रिएट करती है। साउथ वेस्ट और नॉर्थ ईस्ट दो बहुत सेंसिटिव जोन्स हैं। कहते हैं वास्तु पुरुष के जो सर है वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में लाई करता है, और उनका पैर जो है, मतलब इफ़ यू नो द स्टोरी अबाउट द वास्तु पुरुष, आई टेल यू इन अ ब्रीफ। वास्तु पुरुष इज एक्चुअली एक राक्षस था जो शिव जी के पसीने में से निकला था, जो कि मतलब सारे देवताओं को उसकी अग्नि इतनी बड़ी थी कि वो पूरे त्रिलोक को निगलना चाहता था। इसीलिए शिव जी ने और सारे देवताओं ने मिलके उसे उल्टा लिटाया ज़मीन पर और उसको शांत किया। एंड देन उनको ये वरदान दिया कि जिनके घर में वास्तु परफेक्शन होगा, जो अच्छे होंगे वास्तु से, क्लटर नहीं होगा, गुड अलाइनमेंट होगा, एवरीथिंग विल बी इन प्लेस, उन्हें आप नहीं खाएंगे। और जो अदर पीपल हैं जो क्लटर्ड हैं, जिनके घर में वास्तु अलाइनमेंट नहीं है, प्लेसमेंट्स ठीक नहीं हैं, उनको आप खा सकते हो। तो धीरे धीरे वास्तु पुरुष हमारी एनर्जीज़ को और हमारे पीस को खा लेते हैं। तो इसलिए उस चीज़ से बचने के लिए हम वास्तुशास्त्र कर सकते हैं। मे बी इट्स अ स्टोरी बट इट वर्क्स, यू नो, द अलाइनमेंट वर्क्स। तो कहते हैं कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट में उनका सर रखा जाता है उल्टे औंधे मुँह, और साउथ वेस्ट में उनके पैर आते हैं। तो जो पैर की दिशा है, अगर वहाँ ओपनिंग होती है, साउथ वेस्ट रिलेशनशिप्स को गवर्न करता है। तो अगर साउथ वेस्ट की दिशा में कोई वास्तु दोष होगा, जैसे कि एंट्रेंस हो गई, तो वो आपके वास्तु को बहुत प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करता है। रिलेशनशिप्स में काफ़ी इश्यूज आते हैं, और मेजरली अगर कुछ देता है तो वो कर्जा देता है। तथ्य के ऑन बेसिस ऑफ रियलिटी आई एम टेलिंग यू कि जो भी साउथ वेस्ट की एंट्रेंसेस हैं, दे नॉट गुड एंड दे गिव यू अ लॉट ऑफ डेट्स। वहाँ राहु की एंट्रेंस है तो आप अननेसेसरी डिसीजंस लेते हैं विच लीड टू अ लॉट ऑफ डेट्स। क्या ठीक है। दूसरी जो दिशा है नॉर्थ ईस्ट, वो वास्तु पुरुष का हेड है। ओके तो वो हमारे माइंड की दिशा है, वहाँ बहुत हाई फ्रिक्वेंसी होती है, इसलिए वहाँ कोई एंटी एक्टिविटीज़ में आता है किचन, टॉयलेट या फिर एंटी कलर वो होता है, तो वो आपको मेजर हेल्थ इश्यूज़ देता है, मेजर सेटबैक देता है, रादर फाइनेंशियली भी आपको काफ़ी सेटबैक्स देता है नॉर्थ ईस्ट।
So basically, I do not have very much knowledge in Vastu, but I can understand one thing. As our ancestors, they must have structured all these kind of Vastu kind of things in such a way that it must have some kind of scientific reasons behind it. Only then it will be able to get some kind of prosperous things in our life. I understand that thing only. And the other thing is the stories that you tell. Yes, of course, it might have happened. It should have happened. That it all depends upon the believing of the people. So that's it, ma'am.
Yes, if you're telling like our ancestrals must have, you know, do you believe in universe?
Yes, of course.
Do you believe that universe has a magnetic field?
Yes, of course.
You believe Earth has a magnetic field? Okay, the universe is round, the Earth is round, the sun is round, the moon is round, and you know the science that everything is revolving and revoluting one or the other. So do you know the science behind it? There is a very huge science behind it, that each and everything has a magnetic field which is attracting the other energy or entity to, you know, stay with this thing. So you know, you can't keep changing the vastu of your country, of your city, of your society, but what you can change is your own space. So there is a magnetic field in your own house. ठीक है, and how to find that? It's a very simple thing to find your own magnetic field. Start with your own thing, right? You can go with us to the scale map. You can get it done with the draftsman. These days, new building societies, each and everybody has, they provide with the maps or layouts when they're constructing new houses. You can take it from your builder, and you can get it aligned from a draftsman who can put a Shakti Chakra for you. I am saying draftsman, मतलब आप खुद भी कर सकते हो ड्राफ्टमैन, इसीलिए कि वो एक्यूरेटली आपका टू द स्केल मैप निकालेगा, उस पे वो आपका मास ग्रेविटी सेंटर निकालेगा और मास ग्रेविटी सेंटर के हिसाब से वो आपके एंट्रेंस और आपकी दिशाओं के अकॉर्डिंग आपके मैप पे एक शक्ति चक्र प्लेस कर देगा। शक्ति चक्र जब वो प्लेस करेगा तो उसे एग्जैक्टली पता हमें उसे चल जाएगा कि कौन सा जोन में क्या है, लाइक योर टॉयलेट कहाँ आ रहा है, किचन कहाँ आ रहा है, कौन सी एंट्रेंस आपको मिल रही है। ईच एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑन पेपर, सो इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू वर्क कि हमें अब यहाँ जो हमारा साउथ ईस्ट है, अगर हमारे यहाँ बेडरूम है, यहाँ किचन नहीं है, तो हम ऐसा क्या ऐड कर सकते हैं। रेड कलर का बल्ब ऐड कर सकते हैं और एक छोटा सा दिया ऐड कर सकते हैं जो वहाँ फायर क्रिएट करता है, तो वो आपको मॉनेटरीली, फाइनेंशियली आपके घर की अग्नि को, आपके जठार अग्नि को, आपके मनी की अग्नि को जीवित रखे। इस तरीके से इट्स नॉट दैट मैं ही कर सकती हूँ या आपको वास्तु कंसल्टेंट ही चाहिए, आप खुद भी अपना घर का वास्तु कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू नो बेसिक रूल्स। बहुत ही बेसिक सी चीज़ है और आप मतलब इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल, इट इज़ नॉट रॉकेट साइंस है। देर आर इट्स अ वेरी ह्यूज नॉलेज ऑल्सो, बट simple things you can start on your own. Once you start, a few years back I had a vastu, like I had a myth that my house is vastu auspicious. I had a kitchen in northeast, and after seeing like some people, some reels on Instagram, I found out that my kitchen is in northeast and I should shift it. So I made a temple, and I had a southeast temple. So southeast temple is not good, that I knew, and at that time I didn't learn vastu, okay, but I tried to shift my mandir from southeast to northeast. So it gave me a mandir of northeast, but my kitchen was still there in the northeast. It didn't change. So it is like better to hire a consultant who has studied in such field, and otherwise also सिंपली दिशा देख के कि ये कोना है, 4 कोनों में नॉर्थ ईस्ट आएगा या साउथ वेस्ट आएगा, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। एक पूरी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, पूरा जोन है जो काम करता है कि इस पूरे जोन में नॉर्थ ईस्ट आएगा, ठीक है। एक पूरा एंगल होता है उस चीज़ के लिए।
It's one thing. People can actually try themselves and kind of understand about the things happening in Vastu. That's what you're trying to tell.
Just trying to tell that yes, you can try. It is very simple, है ना। इफ़ यू नो कि नॉर्थ में पानी आना चाहिए तो वाटर बॉडी दे दिया, ईस्ट में आपके प्लांट्स आने चाहिए, ग्रीन आना चाहिए तो आपने ईस्ट में काफ़ी सारी प्लांटिंग कर दी। फिर आपके साउथ ईस्ट में फायर आनी चाहिए, तो अगर आप वहाँ किचन नहीं भी दे सकते हो, एक सिंपल सी फायर दे दी। ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें आप खुद कर सकते हो। बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ों के लिए ऑफकोर्स यू नीड अ वास्तुशास्त्र कंसल्टेंट, बिकॉज वी वर्क वेरी हार्ड टू come. We have studied, we have come to know a lot of things. We have worked a lot on this science, many so you can, I tried, so it did work, it helped me, but it didn't solve my problem, because northeast ka problem is not easily solvable.
Very simple. You can just try it and you can just get to know about it, and then you can just consult a thorough professional.
If you see a problem to your home, like if it is not a major problem, you can correct it. And if you find a major problem, consult a vastu consultant.
So once again, whatever things that we can do. Great things only a professional can do. So that's what our Gunjan ma'am is trying to say. That's a great thing, ma'am. So tell me, Gunjan ma'am, most of the people who are watching this interview right now, yes, we are talking to a professional Vastu consultant, but some of them may be like thinking, are they certified in it? So tell us about your certifications. What can people expect from you? What are the certifications do you have in this Vastu industry, ma'am?
I have certificates. I'll show you. See, these are the certificates, if you can see. This is Advanced Vastu certificate.
This is a random question. It's not like pre-planned. We had like a talk, but immediately I got to see this certification. That's great. And yet, it's written this certificate is presented to Gunjan Ashok Kochwani for successfully completing Advanced Vastu course. That's a great thing, ma'am. And also the next thing is, it's Gunjan Ashok Kochwani has successfully completed Vastu for Industries course. Okay, fine. So it means that you are a certified industry Vastu specialist.
Yeah.
So tell me, ma'am, like if a person, like if they have industry in factories, so you also go and visit their factories and do kind of vastu consultations. So what are the most common problems that you see in factories, and what is the common remedy, and how do you actually solve it, ma'am? So tell us about your experience visiting factories and giving vastu consultancy, ma'am.
So in industrial vastu, one thing which is very common which creates problem is the entrances. There is one main entrance, but they have multiple entrances on the shades, you know. क्योंकि कहीं से माल आता है, कहीं से उनका रॉ मटेरियल आता है, कहीं से उनके फिनिश गुड्स जाते हैं, तो एक एंट्री रखना उनके लिए डेफिनेटली बहुत हैवी होता है. तो जो वो मल्टीपल एंट्रेंसेस रखते हैं, वी मेक श्योर कि वो सारी एंट्रेंसेस पॉजिटिव हो, क्योंकि नेगेटिव एनर्जीज उस टाइप का फ्लो क्रिएट करती है. और दूसरी चीज़ जो हमने इंडस्ट्री में चेंज करना चाहते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री में हर चीज़ का ना हे वाया चलता है. भाई यहाँ पे उन्होंने मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट बना दिया, यहाँ पे उन्होंने उसका डिस्प्ले बना दिया, यहाँ पे पैकेजिंग कर दी, कोई फ्लो नहीं होता. यहाँ से चीज़ें इधर जा रही हैं, यहाँ से चीज़ें उधर जा रही हैं, यहाँ से उधर जा रही हैं. तो एक प्रॉपर प्रोसेस, तो हम उसको एक प्रॉपर प्रोसेस में एक प्रॉपर फ्लो में लेके आते हैं कि फ्रॉम रॉ मटेरियल टू फर्स्ट आउटपुट टू सेकेंड आउटपुट टू थर्ड एंड देन लाइक दैट टू अ फाइनल आउटपुट. तो वो एक फ़्लो में काम करता है, तो उससे एक स्मूथनेस इन बिज़नेस आ जाती है. और भी कई सारी चीज़ें हैं जो फैक्ट्री के लिए हम चेक करते हैं. जैसे कि हम सबसे पहले तो वहाँ के एनर्जीज चेक करते हैं कि इस फैक्ट्री में, इस इंडस्ट्री में एक्चुअली एनर्जी किस टाइप की है. मतलब वो रजस है, सतव है या तमस है. अगर वो राजसिक एनर्जी है तो वो बहुत अच्छा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग देती है. मेनली हम नेचुरल एनर्जी पे फोकस करते हैं. अगर नेचुरल नहीं है तो फिर हम उसकी एनर्जीज को शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं.
So people who wants to have some kind of factory vastu consulting can approach our Gunjan ma'am over here. So you will be able to get a lot of ideas about how to have a good prosperous future for your factory, because with the help of small changes in vastu, Gunjan ma'am believe and she also succeeded in proving that it can give you good results. So also tell us, ma'am, like most of people will be thinking like vastu is just a luck. So tell us, is it really a luck, or is it like happens based upon humans' fate or something like that?
Yes, of course, there's a karma related thing. वास्तु कर्मा से ही आता है. अगर आपके बहुत अच्छे कर्म हैं तो ही आप वास्तु तक पहुंच पाते हैं. बाकी नहीं, इट्स नॉट अ मैजिक, इट्स नॉट अ वन डे थिंग. स्लोली, स्टेडीली things align to, if you align things, the universe aligns with you. It is no magic, it is not an overnight thing, it doesn't come in just a second. No, I can't do this and create a magic in your home. No, it needs time, it needs energy, and it needs your positivity, your hard work, how your मतलब जादू से नहीं होता. आपका आउटपुट है कि आप मेहनत कितनी कर रहे हो. अगर आपको प्रॉस्पेरिटी चाहिए तो उसके पीछे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. अंबानी विल बी अंबानी बिकॉज उनकी 3 जनरेशन्स ने उस पर काम किया है. अंबानी रातों रात अंबानी नहीं बने. तो आपको भी वो मेहनत करनी है, आपको भी वो आउटपुट देना है. प्लस वास्तु, प्लस योर एस्ट्रोलॉजी, न्यूमरोलॉजी, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग विल पुट यू इन अ स्पेस जहाँ से आपकी प्रॉस्पेरिटी की शुरुआत होगी.
Do some good karmas. Of course, your energy plays a very vital role in vastu. So believe in it, be positive and do some good karmas. Good things will happen in your life for sure. So tell us, Bob, one final question for this interview is very simple. Via this interview, if you want to tell any kind of message to the people who are watching this interview right now, it may be to the kids, old age people, or the middle aged people, or any age category, what would be that one message you would like to tell to the audience today, ma'am?
My message to the society is don't look at Vastu as a superstition. Once in a life, give it a try because it harmonizes your space. It gives you a better thought, better health, better wealth, and better thoughts. And one last but not the least, I would say build your home consciously so that one day your home will build you.
That's a great thing. Build your body, it will build your successful life. So build your kind of homes with perfect vastu. It will give you a very prosperous life. That's a wonderful message from you, ma'am. So people who are watching this interview right now, please do subscribe to our Women Today YouTube channel. Please do click on the bell icon so that you can receive notifications whenever I do post new videos regarding women entrepreneurs and working women across different cities in India and also across different countries in the world. So today's your host is Krishna, the founder of Women Today YouTube channel, hosting this wonderful interview. And today's our guest is from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Her name is Gunjan Ashok Ochwani. She is a professional Vastu consultant. So thank you once again, ma'am, for accepting me to host this wonderful interview with you. We had a lot of wonderful conversations regarding Vastu. So hope people might have got a lot of information from it. So good evening once again, ma'am. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Krishna. Thank you for coming and taking the efforts to taking my interview. Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. That's a wrap.